Dr. Eshhar's legacy will be all the patients who are now being cured, who would have died of their disease had he not made his seminal discoveries.
Dr. Eshhar had the amazing foresight to imagine that you could use synthetic biology to improve upon Mother Nature for the treatment of cancer.
That's when he came up with the innovative idea of putting antibodies on T-cell signaling chains in what we now call chimeric antigen receptors.
There are not many people that have developed approaches to cure patients with widely spread cancer.
Dr. Eshhar has inspired literally hundreds of young investigators to imagine next-generation therapeutics.
His work has already saved many patients' lives, and the iterations of his work will go on to save many more in the future.
And it was through so many collaborations that brought his scientific findings to help patients.
I know Dr. Eshhar for more than 4 decades, and being an Israeli, we had a really deep connection. One memory is going with Zelig to a restaurant in Israel. The owner had a picture of Zelig framed with him, just like people do in restaurants here in the United States when a dignitary is coming to eat at that restaurant.
Dr. Eshhar and I have been friends and colleagues for decades. Dr. Eshhar and I and our wives were once on a trip together in Alaska. We were waiting for the boat to take us out to go fishing. And while we were standing on the dock, a large salmon, much bigger than any that we ever caught in the boat, jumped up onto the dock. Dr. Eshhar and I tried to catch that salmon, and it was the big one that got away. Well, CAR T cells are the big one that didn't get away. They are his discovery, they are his legacy, and they are the way we're curing people with cancer now.
It is an incredible honor to be recognized by one's peers and colleagues with the Richard V. Smalley Award.
I think it'll be very important for Dr. Eshhar for his own recognition. But more than that, it'll encourage younger people to join the field and to see the future of the potential of the field.
Dr. Eshhar is a creative, bold, and generous scientist.
He impacted me as a friend, as a scientist, as an Israeli.
A great colleague, a real friend, and what we call a mensch.
Dr. Eshhar is a trailblazer whose creativity in approaching therapies for cancer will leave an enduring legacy.
Dear members of the Immuno-Oncology Academy, I, Professor Zelig Eshhar, am grateful and honored to receive both awards.